Yo, welcome back. It's your girl Coco. We're back with another Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 5, and yeah, today I'm gonna be running some errands and getting some stuff for some baskets that I'm doing and some stockings. So that's what we're doing today. And then I have to do a little bit of cleaning up. So that's what we're doing today before I go to work. So yeah, I'm about to hop in the shower, get legally ready, and then yeah, get back with y'all. Give me a second. Store and put my hair up in some braids, and yeah, that shower was nice. But I'm about to get ARLEEK ready, do something with his hair. Probably just gonna put like 2 braids back and then go run them errands. Okay, see you in a minute. Alright, y'all. Hey, that bitch busting. So the key is, when I'm at the grocery store, is to park by a what you call that? The little carts or whatever, because I have to I leave ARLEEK in the car right here while I go grab a cart, wipe the cart down, and then put his thingamabob that he sits, the cushion that he sits in there with his snacks and stuff. That's the key. That's the key. For you moms out there, that's the key. Not park to the closest. Now this is a good spot. I park to the closest to the Walmart and to the cart, so that's a win-win. That's a win-win. But if you can't park near the store, park near a cart little thingy, and boom, there you go.
Yeah.
So these little things, like these mystery things? What is wrong with these? What I want to know what I'm getting. I'm just buying stuff. I don't know what's in it. That's what I don't know what it is, but every time I braid my hair, it's always one side that never stays. Always. Alright, y'all, so I just came back from the grocery store. I know y'all so tired of me being in this kitchen, but till I move, we're gonna be in this kitchen, alright? So I got him a whole bunch of more of these little pouches or whatever. So I got him some of those, even though they're like more of a snack. I got him some of those, and then I got him, I want him to try these like Uncrustables. Look like they're so good. I mean, are they for me, are they for him? Maybe both. Mind your business. So I got that, and then I got a whole bunch of Christmas socks and stuff like that, because I'm making baskets for my friends this year, like I do every year. Like you saw last year, and like you saw in my Halloween video. Sorry, I was getting a phone call, but yeah. I'm just gonna unpack all this, and then I'm probably gonna cook some chicken and rice. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it for today, because I have to start getting ready for work and then upload this video for you guys. And yeah. Guys, I've been literally looking for this movie everywhere, the whole series. Like, y'all, if y'all know me or y'all been watching my channel, y'all should know by now I like to collect like series of movies and stuff like that. So I finally found the Divergent one, so I may watch this tonight when I get off of work while I'm cleaning, doing some laundry. So yeah, I got this. I just thought it was funny. I wanted to share with you guys. But yeah. Y'all, I've been trying to shoot this clip like 3 times. Okay, so before I end this vlog here, I want to show you guys the Scentbird subscription I've been doing. If you haven't followed me or seen me on my other videos, I did a whole video on me finding a new perfume that I like or whatever. Trying to be a little bit sexier with my smells. So I got this gold scent. One, it's supposed to have vanilla. I like anything with vanilla in it, so probably half my scents are gonna have vanilla. Tonka beans, benzoin, sandalwood, and amber. So I like the smell of it. It smells really good. So I got that, and then I also got, they also sell like lotions, lip balms, body butter, all that good stuff as well. But this time I got a candle, and it's the dark roasted caramel candle, and it smells like caramel corn. I really like this because it's like really cute on your little nightstand and stuff, you know, real, giving the aesthetic, giving the vibes, you feel me? But yeah, that's probably it for today's video, because I have to start getting ready for work and getting, you know, things on the roll. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe.